one container air condition. This condition he can move, you know. Same like this. I already opened one piece here, so he can move. Understand? He can move, and he have many accessories. Yes, sir. Can like this. You can put in the window. You put in the window. Then here can have this one, okay? This one for here to here, to go outside the hot air, and the cold air in here will come in. Automatic will come in here automatic. And you see, accessory also give you put here and to here to go out the hot air. And this put in here make sometimes have some water go out there. Understand? Too much strong. This time I try it. Too much cold. And also have one. This one maybe he put here, then put here. One in here and one in here. He already give the accessory for you. You see the power? It's strong, but it's good. You can bring to any room, any place. You can bring anywhere to use. And strong power. Same now in this my Dongguan shop. Same like this big. He also can support. Like this big. Can support like that. So this very good quality. Check, brother.